If you've been trying to add YouTube music in CapCut and it keeps not working, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the proper way to get YouTube music into CapCut on PC. Because CapCut does not connect directly to YouTube, that means you can't just paste a YouTube link and drop the music into your project. Instead, you need to download the audio first, save it as a local file, and then import it into CapCut the right way. This is quick, simple, and once you understand the process, you can use it for any video project you make. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open YouTube and find the music video you want to use. Copy the video link so you have it ready. Now, because CapCut only works with local audio files, you need to convert that YouTube music into an MP3 file or use music from the YouTube audio library if you want free and safer music options. Once the audio is downloaded, save it to a folder on your PC where you can find it easily. This step matters because CapCut will only import files that are already stored on your device. Next, open CapCut PC and start a new project or open the project you want to edit. Once you're inside CapCut, look for the Import button. Click Import, then browse to the folder where you saved your MP3 file. Select the audio file and open it. After that, you'll see the music appear in your media panel, which means CapCut has recognized the file correctly. Now it's time to place the music into your edit. Drag the MP3 file down onto the audio track in the timeline. You can position it wherever you want the music to begin, and if you want it to match your video perfectly, play through the timeline and sync the beat or key moments with your clips. If the music is too long, you can trim it down. If you only want part of the song, you can split the clip and remove the extra section. You can also lower the volume if it is too loud or fade it in and out for a smoother sound. The best part about using a local MP3 file is that you have full control over how the audio is edited inside CapCut. You're not limited by a YouTube link, and you can make clean adjustments directly on the timeline. If you run into any issues, just double check that the file is actually downloaded to your computer and that it's in a format CapCut supports. Once everything is in place, preview your video to make sure the music fits the edit, then export your final project. And that's it. That's how to add YouTube music in CapCut the correct way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.